Cole here from Robert Fane Band on YouTube. Woo! Boy, nothing like a hot summer day. You're sweating your ass off. You know, sometimes natural ice and Budweiser and shit just don't cool you off as much as catching one of these big fat motherfuckers right here. Look at that. What? Don't die on me now. Nope. There we go. Hey, see there? Just not. It just. There we go. You just gotta crank it up a little bit. Boy, that feels good. Fly away. Look at him go. Look at Scooter. Riding solo. Come here. I'm hot again. What? Just can't get good air conditioning anymore. Oh well. I'm Cole from Robert Fane Band. I approve this message.